In preparation for the needs of modern drivers, Suzuki has completely revamped their lineup of small SUVs with the 2026 S-Cross. Better engines, cutting-edge safety features, and a more modern design characterize it. The 2026 S-Cross has a sophisticated front fascia with a prominent grille, LED headlights, and clean lines. The SUV has a high ride height and striking wheel wells that are enhanced with chrome accents and other decorative touches. A hybrid system developed by Suzuki powers the S-Cross's 1.5-liter gasoline engine, which produces 113 horsepower. In addition to reduced emissions and improved gas mileage, it can accelerate from 0 to 62 miles per hour in 12.7 seconds for front-wheel drive models and 13.5 seconds for models with AllGrip four-wheel drive. With its spacious and driver-focused cabin, the S-Cross is fitted with luxurious materials and features considerate details. There is a wide range of lifestyles that can benefit from this vehicle's spacious interior, which is both comfortable and welcoming. Known as Suzuki Safety Support, these features are standard on the 2026 S-Cross. Systems that use a monocular camera and a laser sensor to detect possible dangers are available, and they include DSBS, dual sensor brake support, lane departure warning systems, and collision prevention systems. We aim to improve road safety and driver confidence. Keeping with its tradition of affordable pricing, the 2026 S-Cross will provide a delightful mix of features, performance, and the renowned reliability that Suzuki is known for in the compact SUV segment.